Just ready for life, folks. We have here expect a call. Slayer. This is my Ace of Swords here. And then we also have here make your own drink flying out blank cards. You and your person are not on the same page. Somebody could be coming to you about something that's the truth. And I feel like you finna give it to them straight. Shot after shot, okay? With this make your own drink, I feel like you finna give it to them straight. Shot after shot. With this Slayer here. You and somebody about to have a deep conversation. I don't know if this is your person, a person, but y'all about to get on the same page. Whether y'all in different books or the same chapter, y'all about to get on the same page. What else, Holy Spirit? Or you gonna have to take something straight to the dome. The air sign wanted to come out. What else, Holy Spirit? Sounds, messages, please. Somebody's like, no, never. That did not happen. Spilling the tea. Somebody is gasping, clutching they freaking pearls. Somebody's like, get the fuck out. Get on my face. Get off my phone plan. Somebody get off their phone plan, okay? It's an earth sign. An earth sign. Something about an earth sign. You could be, they could be, all right, and something to do with some reckless behavior. Somebody's gonna be like, I know you fucking lying. Why is you on my phone playing? Somebody's gonna be gasping for air. Somebody's gonna be crying, laughing as a way. I don't know why I want to bust out laughing. Somebody's gonna bust out laughing. Somebody's gonna clutch their pearls. Somebody gonna be like, get off my phone playing. Somebody can even hang up with anger and call back like, bitch, now say, don't tell me you said what the fuck I think you just said. There's some shit going on, okay? Somebody about to tell the truth. I'm gonna get one more message. At the bottom, we have positive vibes. Somebody always, yeah, I'm getting like it is what the fuck it is. What else, Holy Spirit? We have here also office gossip showing itself. Okay, so something happened in the past and something is happening right now, and people is putting two and two together, reading in between the lines. People is watching, or folks is watching, or somebody peeping something. One more. One in the type of attention you get. Somebody could have done something for attention. Okay, somebody could have did something that somebody else does, but they didn't get the same reaction from the community, the people, social media, or whatever the hell this is. Sour face coming out. Yeah, they didn't get that same reaction. Motherfuckers was looking at them like, you is not collective. I don't know who the hell you thought you was, but you is not. You is not collective, okay? I'm gonna need you to sit the fuck down. We have here ever since you left, I haven't had anyone to talk to. I'm telling you, expect the call. It's like somebody got to tell you something. Ever since you left, they ain't had nobody to talk to. That's for somebody. Let's get into this message. Wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. Well, I was finna get the tell over something told me to grab this. Can't breathe. Spilling the tea. Somebody like, I didn't heard it all. Somebody's like, remember when? I'm telling you, like somebody's putting it all together. Somebody's like, remember when? Divine masculine. Hell no. I don't know. Clear out his messages, Holy Spirit. Feel the tea. Can't breathe. Never. I could never. You have your sex addiction in reverse and turning their back. What is up? Fake business. Somebody could have said that somebody was a sex worker, or somebody had a sex addiction, or somebody could have slept with someone, or somebody liked the same sex. That was all a lie. What else is going on? Somebody did a lot of work to confuse people. But oh no. Yeah, we have here. I see. I just looked at secret accounts blocked, and then back. We have here blocked and then backstab. So somebody was accused of cheating. Okay, but somebody's finding out that something was all a lie, and somebody's also finding out that that's not their baby. Something to do with a divine feminine, getting readings on a divine feminine. Somebody's finding out that everything that somebody said was a lie. They're a fucking liar. And the truth may not even be him. They're a jackass sliding off the back of my hand. What else? Because I feel like there's more. Somebody's like, no, bitch, but get this. Fed up. Somebody's also like broke. Like broke. And they could have been doing a bunch of scamming and thieving. And this could have been from the people close to them. And then we also have here fucked up over you and I love you. So somebody could be getting into a whole bunch of shit, okay? Somebody's ex could be trying to get in contact with them, or somebody could be trying to get in contact with you about something that's going on with somebody around them. This could be just like gossip, or this could be like, somebody firsthand that's going through some shit like this, right? Because somebody has some type of sex addiction, and they're trying to put it off like it's this other person, but it's really them. A lot of love bombing here, fakeness, okay? But somebody is fucked up over you. This energy is so confusing to me because whoever this is here, they did a lot to convince the world or their world or people in the community of this person being this backstabbing, sex addictive, fucked up person. But it's really them. They're the ones with the reckless behavior. They use sex to get their way, seduction, okay, and deception. Somebody's gonna get caught up with the law, like something to do with money. Confirmation.